Skin thirsty? Quench it naturally. Dry, dull skin got you down? Discover the ancient secret to radiant hydration straight from the Himalayas. Introducing Ladakh Dry Fruits, 100% pure organic apricot oil. This cold-pressed oil is packed with vitamins A and E and essential fatty acids. It's the perfect natural moisturizer for your skin and hair. This amazing oil isn't just for your face. Use it for a relaxing massage, nourishing your scalp, or even on your baby's delicate skin. It's gentle, safe, and effective for all skin types. Sourced directly from Ladakh, this apricot oil is 100% pure and organic. It's free from chemicals and additives, ensuring you get only the best for your body. Feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Customers rave about its light texture and quick absorption. They love how soft, nourished, and radiant their skin feels. Many have also noticed improvements in their hair health. Ready to experience the difference of pure organic apricot oil? Head over to the product page on Amazon today to grab your bottle. Your skin will thank you for it. Click the link to learn more and order now.